Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make fudge brownies without oven. For brownies, take 175 grams any biscuits, which should without cream. Put 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, make them a fine powder. Now add 3 tablespoons of melted butter and a 1/4 cup of cold milk. Make a dough. Take a clink and put the dough. Press with hands and make a log shape. Keep in fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. And other side, take a thick chocolate sauce. For this you can use Nutella or cooking chocolate, melted with milk and make a thick paste. Take out from fridge and unwrapped. Cut into pieces. Do you like my recipes? Please comment below. Take 1 by 1 pieces and dip in chocolate. Again, keep in fridge for more 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out from fridge and sprinkle on them some colorful sprinkles or any nuts. They are so soft and yummy. When you make them, I'm definitely sure you'll love these brownies. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe and share. Please feedback me about this recipe. Thanks for watching.